Okay, here we are at the front Isolastic. The gator was pretty much perished anyway, but last fall while I was checking the bike over for something else, I happened to peel that back and look in there, and you can see the front between the abutment, PTFE seal, and the outside part. We've got a lot of clearance here, and I believe the book says about 9,000, something like that. But obviously, we can assume that's a lot more than 9,000. I mean, it's just rattling around in there. This bike ran well, handles great, but I was surprised to see that much clearance there. Usually, when you get this much clearance, you come up with the dreaded commando death weave, and you either drive through it or slow down. But this bike handled great, but this is going to be more winter project stuff. I just put a wheel bearing on the truck and did some yard work because we got about 45 degrees out there today. So anyway, check your Isolastics. You're supposed to have a total of 9,000. So I have a feeling if I shift the engine over with a bar, we're going to have probably a good 3/16 of an inch in there, which is just way too much. So we'll put the new vernier kit in there so it's adjustable. You don't have to fool around with the shims. And so that's the content for today. Like I say, we're in the midst of winter here, and it's been really cold, but today we got a decent day, so I'm doing a few things. So catch you later. Keep your stick on the ice.